When it comes to home improvement projects that offer the best return on investment, window installation often ranks high on the list. In Lexington, where weather conditions fluctuate throughout the year, proper window installation is crucial for maintaining indoor comfort and reducing energy costs. If you are considering new windows or replacing your existing ones, understanding how proper installation impacts your energy bills can help you make a well-informed decision. The impact of poor window installation on energy efficiency. Improperly installed windows can lead to a variety of energy-wasting issues. Gaps, cracks, and poor sealing around window frames allow outside air to seep into your home while letting conditioned air escape. This forces your heating and cooling system to work harder, increasing your energy consumption and, ultimately, your utility bills. Additionally, subpar installation can result in condensation buildup, drafts, and even structural damage over time. If your windows are not installed with precision, they may fail to function properly, compromising their insulating properties and reducing your home's overall energy efficiency. How proper window installation saves you money. Improved insulation and sealing. Proper window installation ensures that every window is sealed tightly to prevent air leaks. Professional installers use high-quality weather stripping and insulation techniques to eliminate any gaps, reducing drafts and keeping your indoor climate stable. This means your heating and cooling system does not have to overcompensate for temperature fluctuations, leading to lower energy consumption. Enhanced energy efficiency with modern windows. Energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, and their effectiveness largely depends on proper installation. Many modern windows feature multiple panes of glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and argon gas fillings, all of which contribute to better insulation. However, even the most advanced window technology will not perform as intended if it is not installed correctly. A professional installation ensures that your energy-efficient windows function at their full potential. Prevents air and moisture infiltration. A major problem with poorly installed windows is moisture infiltration, which can lead to mold growth, wood rot, and damage to your home's structure. By ensuring a snug fit and using high-quality sealants, proper installation prevents these issues and protects your investment. A well-sealed window also reduces humidity levels inside your home, helping your HVAC system run more efficiently. Longer lifespan of your HVAC system. When your windows are installed correctly, your heating and cooling system does not have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This reduces wear and tear on your HVAC system, prolonging its lifespan and saving you money on costly repairs or replacements. The role of professional window installers. While DIY home projects can be tempting, window installation is best left to professionals. Certified window installers have the experience and expertise to ensure a precise fit, proper sealing, and adherence to industry standards. They also have access to high-quality materials and tools, ensuring the job is done right the first time. In Lexington, hiring a trusted local window installation company can make a significant difference in your home's energy efficiency and long-term savings. Choosing the right energy-efficient windows for your Lexington home. selecting the right windows for your home is just as important as proper installation. When choosing new windows, consider the following. Energy Star certification. Look for Energy Star rated windows, which meet strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Glazing options. Double or triple pane windows with low E coatings provide better insulation and energy savings. Frame materials. Vinyl, fiberglass, and wood-clad frames offer superior insulation compared to traditional aluminum frames. Custom fit. Windows should be measured and custom fitted to your home's specific needs to ensure a seamless installation. Conclusion. Proper window installation in Lexington is not just about aesthetics. It plays a vital role in reducing your energy bills, improving comfort, and enhancing the longevity of your home's HVAC system. By investing in professional installation and high-quality energy-efficient windows, you can significantly cut down on your energy costs while enjoying a more comfortable and sustainable living environment. If you're considering new windows for your home, consult with a reputable window installation expert in Lexington. Their expertise will ensure that your windows are installed correctly, allowing you to maximize energy savings and enjoy a more efficient home.